What's up, y'all? Got a 1987 T-Top Grand National, all original paint, original wheels, original interior, never been painted, never been restored. It's all original. Straight body, as you can see. Original wheels, got all the original hubcaps for it. T-top. As you can see, T-top rails need to be replaced. No good, just the rails itself. They do sell them online for, I believe, $250. Got the original seats. Pretty good, all intact. Original stereo. As you can see, you got tears on the seat, nothing major. Carpet, solid vehicle, no major rust whatsoever. Just surface rust on the roof. Solid. Go ahead, guys, make an offer if you guys want to buy it. Engine was rebuilt by the previous owner about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago to be exact. Looks to be running strong. Definitely need a tune-up. It's been sitting for a while. But if you guys are looking for a G-body Grand National T-Top clean title, this is it right here. All original paint. Definitely needs to be repainted. But if you're looking for all original Grand National for a decent price, I think this is it, guys. Let me know if you're interested. Door panels are beautiful, as you can tell. Both sides are extremely taken care of. Like I said, we're looking at $22,000 or best offer. Original paint, needs to be repainted, needs a tune-up for sure. As of now, the vehicle, like I said, engine's been redone by the previous owner. New brake booster, new master cylinder, new gas tank, new fuel pump. That's how it's been done to in the last couple of years. I got the bumper fillers inside the vehicle. Clean Atlanta, Georgia title. Clean Atlanta, Georgia title. No rust on the fenders or quarter panels. Floor panels are intact, no rust as well. You guys interested? Shoot me an email. I'll list my email on there and we can talk business. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Give you guys a little rev so you guys can hear it up before I end this video. Going strong. Be yours, man. 22 or best offer. If it doesn't sell within a week, we're gonna send it to the body shop and get it restored. Thanks, guys.